Hello everyone. I'm one of the creators of this incredible device, and today on behalf of Cleanrth Products, I've been asked to share my personal experience, the struggles we face with our own apartments, and most importantly, how to set up this wonderful product. Here you can see the Cleanrth BT009 bed bug trap being unpacked from the box, displaying all the contents you'll receive. Now, owning over 100 apartments in Anchorage, Alaska, when this bed bug nightmare started, I can tell you, you guys, we tried everything. Heat treatment, bed bug bombs, removing all the belongings from the apartment, spraying powders, you name it. We tried it. The treatments were endless, exhausting, and extremely expensive. After extensive research and countless rounds of testing, we finally developed this device. And trust me, while it looks simple, it took us a long time to perfect. Out of all the products we created, this is the one that worked the best for us, and it could actually eliminate the bed bugs without removing beds and clothing and all that. Yes, we have secured full patents on this device, and because of that, I am personally reaching out to professional pest control companies that sell pest repellents to see if they're interested in offering this groundbreaking device. And here we go right here. Cleanrth Products is one of our first to embrace it. So as you've seen in the video, the content's coming right out of the box, showing you how simple it is to put this device together. The base is the actual trap the bed bugs climb up and fall into. The top bucket sits on top of that. And then there's a little power switch, and that power switch activates a heat pad inside that bucket. And here you're looking at the actual container that would be sitting on top of that heat pad inside the black bucket. So this is us. This looks like Cleanrth mixing up a batch. This batch will run for over 7 days. It's sugar and yeast and lukewarm water. And again, we're not trying to hide what contents we're using, as this is all patented. We really just want to help people. We want them to be able to bring these machines into a bedroom, get the bed bug bites stopped, and just run this machine. Usually it's a 6-week process if there's a bed bug problem going on. But again, here you're mixing up your sugar, your yeast, lukewarm water. Like to try to fill it up pretty close to the top. We're going to have indication paperwork that comes with every device showing about how high you want to fill up your inner bucket that carries the contents. But you want to mix it with warm water and mix it for a good about a minute. And then from there, you're going to screw on your cap, and then you're going to take this container and you're going to place it inside the outer black bucket. You're going to want to go ahead and connect that up to the hose. So guys, your last step is to fill up the bubbler. I would say the bubbler takes about 2.4 to 2.6 milliliters of water. Again, the goal is to get the water level between the two lines on the bubbling window. The purpose of the bubbling system is to simulate like the human exhalation. Kind of like when CO2 is being puffed out. You breathe in, you push out CO2. And I have to say the results on this machine, this last machine that we built, incredible. After years of battling bed bugs, this machine was developed and performed the best out of all of our prototypes. In fact, most of the tenants who had bed bug issues, they would report back to us. So they say, hey, I'm getting bit in my kid's bedroom. I'm getting bit in my bedroom, and there might even be a problem in our living room. We would get 3 of the devices in there, and the reports back, like in most cases, the bed bug biting stopped within a week. And then we would keep the machines running up to 6 weeks, and I would say about the 4th or 5th week, we wouldn't be catching anymore, but we would run a full 6-week treatment. By the time you got to the end, you weren't catching any bed bugs, no more bed bug biting, no moving any of the couches, the beds, or anything. The machines just work 24 hours a day, attracting the bed bugs. Pretty amazing device. Hope that you could be one of our customers. And again, we're not only going to be working with Cleanrth, but many pest control companies out there. So you're going to see this product in a lot of locations. My biggest goal is we're helping people. That's my main goal. Anyways, guys, God bless and happy trails.